Got big plans for your home? You've come to the right place. PODS gives you the flexibility you need to put you in control of your home improvement project. Starting from the moment you tell us when and where you want your container delivered. And with contactless pickup and delivery, you don't even have to be there. Once your container has been delivered, keep it for as long as you need. Or store it at one of our secure storage centers with unlimited access to your belongings. So whether you're planning on remodeling your kitchen or updating your dining room, PODS lets you clear your things out of the way and keep them accessible. And since you have the only key, you can rest assured your belongings are secure. Project taking longer than expected? Don't worry, PODS makes it easy to change your dates or locations. So what are you waiting for? Let PODS help make your dream renovation a reality. Call 800-776-PODS or visit pods.com.